In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to export your thematic maps to an image file or even a PDF file. And you can do this for any thematic map that you can open in AlignMix. So let's go ahead and open up a thematic map, and we'll stick with the first one here, the over-under map. And let's say we want to export this thematic map right now. You do that by clicking on Tools. And first we can click here on Save Map, and that will save an image file. So I'll type in Thematic Map and click on Save. Now let's minimize that, and you can see here we've got Thematic Map, and when it opens up you will see our thematic map is saved as an image file. So now let's close out of that, and now let's bring back the AlignMix file. So now let's export this thematic to a high-resolution PDF file, and you can do that by clicking here on High-Resolution Export, and here you can customize the export. You can have the current view or the national view. You can even turn on additional layers by clicking on the layer button, and you can turn on those different layers here. We can adjust the page size. You can even create a custom size by selecting the custom options down here. We'll stick with the 8:11 export here. We can adjust the margins and even the resolution. So you can click here and you can go up as high as 500 dpi, but we'll stick to low for this example. Click Save, and we'll call it PDF, and click on Save. When that PDF file is ready, it will open right away on your screen, and here you can see that PDF that we've just exported. And you can create these type of exports for any of the thematics, the zip code thematic, the territory thematic, and also the bivariate thematic map. And there you go. You just learned how to save and export your thematic maps.